Hi friends, hope you are doing great. So I am using the iPhone 7 Plus and I have facing some issue with the messages app that I am getting this warning sign in my messages even though I don't have any unread messages. As you can see here, I don't have any messages, but I can see the warning sign sometimes here. As you had seen that in the previous shot. So how we can fix that issue? So to fix the issue, we need to go in the settings and then scroll down and to the messages. Like here I got the messages, so we will need to click this messages and we need to turn this iMessage off. Okay, so here if we turn that iMessage off, and now if you can see that the issue is solved and I can't see the warning sign anymore here, and I don't have any unread messages as well. So this is how you can fix this issue. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.